ring typewriter push-ups. To perform this, we'll start by grabbing the gymnastics rings and stepping into a high plank position. You can space your feet apart for added stability. From here, we will lower to the bottom of the push-up position, squeeze the rings to our side, and then with our left arm, we will fully extend it and lock it out, and then bring it back to our side. Now we will squeeze the left ring to our side, fully extending and locking out our right arm, and bringing it back in. From here, you will push back to the top position, and then lower back down for another rep. Squeezing the rings towards our side, the left arm will extend out, fully locking out. The left arm will squeeze to our side, the right arm will extend and fully lock out, and we will push back to the top.